Hi, I'm Jaden, and today I will be talking about the odd and even numbers. What is an even number? Well, an even number is any whole number that is divisible by 2. Suppose we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 trees. An easy way to check this is to divide 8 trees into 2 groups with equal number of trees each. Wait, are those trees moving? Yes, they are. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. We can see that each group has 4 trees each. In symbols, we write this as 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Since there is nothing left, then we say that 8 is an even number. How about if we have 5 telescopes and we group them into 2 groups of equal telescopes each? 1, 2, 3, 4. So each group will have 2 telescopes, but there's a problem here because there is an extra telescope. That means that 5 is not divisible by 2. 5 is odd. In symbols, we have 5 divided by 2 is equal to 2, but with a remainder of 1. An odd number is a whole number that is not divisible by 2, or it is a whole number that is not even. Let's try some more. Let's try the number 4. 4 anchors can be grouped into 2 equal groups. No odd and out. 4 is even. Let's try the number 6. 6 treasure boxes can be grouped into 2 groups with 3 boxes each. No extras. Therefore, 6 is even. Now the number 10. 10 pieces of lemons can be grouped into 2 groups with 5 lemons each. No extras. Therefore, 10 is even. Okay, here's some. If you recall the examples earlier, we discovered that the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 are all even numbers. Here's my trick. All numbers that end in 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0 are all even numbers. Otherwise, they are 20 and then 0. Therefore, it is even. 14 ends in 4, so it's even. 11 does not end in 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0, so it's odd. 103 ends in 3, that's odd. 536 ends in 6, even. Easy, right? Till next time. Bye!